This gorgeous boy is Poochies. Look at this nice orange muffin. Super, super sweet. You can hear him sniffling. He's under the weather. He would love some TLC in a nice home. Yes, he would. He has a companion named Tiger who's not sick. We would love for them to go together. But at the very least, we need to get this guy out of here. Yes, we do. Hi, baby. Come show everybody your cute face. Yeah. Oh, hello, baby. Hear that poor breathing? Yeah, we're going to get you out of here. Yes, we are. You're so cute. Hi, baby. Hi. Yeah, oh, you're still rolling? But we're not petty. You still, oh, he says, give me more. Give me more. Give me more. So come get Poochies and give him all the TLC he needs. Look at him. So cute.